Hey guys, today we're making Greek zucchini fritters on the Skottle. So tools you're going to need for this recipe are obviously a Skottle, you're going to need a spatula of some sort, a grater of any sort, a knife, and a cutting board so you can chop up all of your veggies for this recipe. So first you're going to start off by chopping off the ends of your zucchinis. And now you're going to grate your 3 zucchinis. Make sure while you're grating these that you move your fingers up every once in a while, otherwise you will grate your fingers and it doesn't feel good. Generously salt your zucchinis before we make it into our batter to fry. So after you salt it, it has to sit for at least 30 minutes to pull out that moisture before you move on to the next step. Now that it's all salted, you'll just let it sit for 30 minutes. So now that you've let your zucchini sit in the salt for half an hour, you're going to squeeze out all the liquid and then transfer it to another bowl. Now you're just going to chop up some green onions to add to your mixture. So now that you've finished chopping your green onions, you're going to go ahead and chop your garlic. For this recipe, you need just 1 clove of minced garlic. Next, you're going to want to add 2 eggs. Next, you're going to need about half a cup of feta cheese. All right, now you're going to add a tablespoon of dill. And then now you're going to add salt and pepper. And then you'll just mix this all together. Next, you're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'll make sure it touches everything. Next, you're going to add a half cup of flour. Sprinkle this evenly around the whole mixture because you don't want lumpy fritters. And then you're going to just mix to combine. And now you're going to want to turn on your Skottle. Because you're frying, you're going to have to turn it up higher so you can get that oil nice and hot. Add your oil. We're using olive oil, and then you're just going to leave it on there for a while to let it reach temp. You're going to need a good amount of oil because we are frying. So here we're just doing a little bit of a test to make sure that you can fry it without it burning and it turns a nice brown color so it cooks the inside as well as the outside. All right, and then once you're happy with the heat of your oil, go ahead and make a big one. I'm slowly adding more heat as we go. When it comes to frying on the Skottle, you have to learn where your burner should sit at and what's most comfortable for you. You don't want it too hot, otherwise you will burn it. But if it's too low, you are just going to soak up the oil, so there's a fine spot for it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you in the next video. That's really good. Here at Timbo Tusk, we are professional Skottle users. When are we starting after the whirring stops? Please excuse the sound of the forklift. How does a grater work? Dude, it's zucchini, feta, garlic, onion, dill, salt, pepper, egg flour. Yeah.
Did you put sunscreen on?
I did, yeah.
So this, you have to do that and then it has to sit for 30 minutes?
It will, yeah.
I'm just wondering when I can eat. I'm hungry.
It looks like someone threw up over here. The first one I dropped.